JJ again here in the kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own pancake in the morning. Take a packet of flour like this one over here, and you need oil like this one over here, and your ingredients should be in a cup like that one over here. See, so you have it over there. The pan is cooking, still hot. So what you need to do, you need to mix this or this one in the cup. And the oil is over there. Check this. So this is the mix already in the cup, and you see now that's now mixed. You see the way it looks like. It's ready. You see, I've already put just a little bit of oil over here. You see, don't have to put a lot of it, just a little bit of it, just like the three is enough. Just let me make my mix ready. That's that. Okay, that's how you do it. Take 15 less than 3 minutes. This will be ready. See? Put more for a little bit. Get a little bit hot. So this side is this side. See how it looks like that. Put more. Next thing you have to do is spread it all over the pan, all over the pan, that's that, all over the pan, all over the pan, all over the pan, all over the pan, over there, all over the pan, all over the pan, getting ready. See, there it's, now it's cooking. So there it is, look the way it looks like. Very nice job. Just simple like that. You see the way you make it. Michael JJ. See the next video.